just a little thank you card. Protective foam, user manual, which I always forget to read before I install anything. Please don't do that. This is the card for positioning and measuring. I think this might actually be just a replacement piece. This is what it comes with. This is the lock itself, and the lock that I have, I actually changed the clamp. Okay, I used the B clamp. They have a C and an A clamp. You know, if you look at the user manual, it's pretty self-explanatory. And then they have a gasket, which I don't think I need either. This is like the accessories bag, okay? They have like a couple of these gaskets, which, like I said, I don't think I need. This is the C like clamp, all right? This one, you actually need to screw it in. So you use one out of like 3 of these. So this is A, I use the B, all right? Because this sticks out enough. And we're also gonna just put in some batteries as well. There you go, okay. 4 A4 batteries. All right, and last but not least, it's the sensor or the keypad, which you'll be sticking onto the outside, okay? Just push the card, okay, right onto this thing that looks like a frame. Stick once, okay? So it's gonna be just about there, because that's the center point, right? So we're gonna try to use the lines and just put it right on, okay? It's gonna be nice and tight. Now that this is all calibrated and ready, and we'll calibrate it again in a sec. And just screw those in there, right there. Okay, it should be pretty perfect. Nice snug fit. It's funny that in the instructions, I don't remember the instructions telling you to take out the cardboard. Now, when you don't take out the cardboard, you're gonna have some problems, okay? It's easier when you have the door open when you do the other side. All right, see how our case, we have the doorknob at the bottom, but that's fine. You know, obviously it's not gonna fit. Just stretch it a little bit. All right, just a little trick. You're not gonna break it, don't worry, unless you overdo it. All right, it's a little bit scary, the whole experience, but it works, okay? Don't worry. Huh? We'll just go ahead and press the password that we just created. And since we selected lock without password, and with this keypad, sensor keypad, you want to actually just hold your finger on there for at least half a second. You know, when you tap it, it actually doesn't work when it's in sleep mode. So yep, there you go. Okay, we'll try it one more time. Very simple, nice, easy setup, and so far it's working great.